Welcome back to my channel. This is Limi. Today we're gonna be making the simple scones. Before we get started, let's put the 3 tablespoons of butter into the fridge freezer, which I have already done. And this helps butter hold out and not get melted in the dough when we work with it. Okay, now back to the ingredients. We have 7 in total: sugar, salt, baking powder, egg, butter, and all-purpose flour. Of course, the raisins. And you can always switch it to your favorite ingredients like dried blueberry, cranberry, and nuts, etc., etc. And as usual, I will put all these ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions for you to follow along at home. And now let's get started. First, in a large mixing bowl, let's mix all the dry ingredients together. Add 3½ teaspoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and just mix them a bit. And then sift this 1 1/3 cup of flour. And mix them together. Pour the 1 egg into 1/3 cup of the milk. And whisk them together. Okay, it's done. Just let them combine. Now this is 3 tablespoons of frozen butter. Now we're gonna grate it. I use a fork. The finer butter pieces, the quicker they mix into the flour and create crumbs. So we try to grate the frozen butter. Now we put the grated frozen butter into the dry ingredients mixture and mix them together. And now it's time to add your favorite ingredients. I will put my raisins. And next, then we add the white ingredients that we mixed already together. Slowly and small amount each time to mix the white and the dry ingredients all together, and we form them into a dough. And small amount each time. We don't want to work too much with this dough, so don't knead it. And the rest of it. Here I'm just trying to form all the ingredients into a dough. We want to force it into a disc so that we can cut it in like a triangle shape. Now the dough is formed. Now we cut it into 8 pieces, 8 triangles, before we put it in the fridge. And now we can cover it with the plastic wrap and freeze it. If you want to bake it today, we will need to freeze it for about at least 15 minutes to 1 hour. But the best thing is that we can freeze it overnight and bake it off tomorrow morning and have it as breakfast. Okay, put into the fridge. I left it over in the fridge overnight to bake it in the morning for breakfast. And actually you can leave it just in fridge for half an hour, and that's good enough. Now we will just put our dough on the parchment in the baking sheet. Take off the plastic wrap and just take one piece of the scone and here. Now they are ready to be baked off at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Wow, it looks so good, so yummy. I love it. The taste is so delicious. The outside and the ringes are crumbled and a little bit crispy, but inside is still flaky and fluffy, and you can feel the moisture. I probably baked it a little bit more crispy because I like the crispy textures. And if you don't like it, if you like the less crispy but still crumble, you can reduce the cooking time down to 18 minutes. So you still get the whole flavor and the whole texture, but not that crispy. Okay, I hope you like this video and you like my recipe. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and also comment down below. And please subscribe me for more, and happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.